Okay, we're going to do the throttle position sensor today. I was looking around my car parts and I found I had one. I'm not throwing a code for it. I think the code is P0121, 122, something like that. This one's not throwing a code, but I got it. What the heck, make a video. Anyway, this is the original one. Probably could be working better, I guess, but it's pretty simple to do. I have one, so I'm going to do it. All right, right here is my clip. Okay, you're going to want to press down right there, and then while you're pressing down, you're going to pull it off. Mine was loose, so it's going to be slightly harder than that. And then there's two Torx 20 bits or screws. Now this happens to be a Torx 20 driver. There's the one, it's almost out, and there's the other one right over there. And by the way, this is the throttle position sensor. Okay, this is what senses, tells your computer how fast you want to go, because this is the throttle body right here. There's your idle air control if you're ever looking for that. Now this is your throttle control. It comes over here, it's by wire. It goes down to your throttle, your foot pedal. Having a hard time talking today, but and more air equals more gas. Sends a low voltage signal to the computer, which allows more gas to come in with the more air. But real quick, we're just gonna see if we can get this thing out. Don't drop your screws. And maybe I should have taken a couple more with the screwdriver, but that thing's so hard to get to. There we go. There's one out. Pretty easy. That's what the screw looks like in case you drop it. That's what the end of it looks like. Torx 20. It's not a safety. And then we're going to come over here, take the other one out. Okay. A lot easier with a little bit of screwdriver, or a Torx driver rather. And take that out. And this thing's just going to come right off your hand. Now see, it's got a little bit of O-ring there, gasket, and watch it throw a code now that I switched it out, right? But anyway, I open the box. And pardon my jumbling here. I'll make sure the new sensor has the O-ring. Which it does. This one happens to be blue. You're going to orient it like this. Okay, again, pardon my... Okay, and then we're going to go right back to where it was. Okay, grab your other screw, put that one in there. Okay, it's all in there nice. You can see it's sitting flush. Now, okay, what I'm going to do now is screw it back in and push it back on. I mean, push the wiring back on. Okay. If I had a shorter screwdriver, it'd be a little nicer. Or if I bothered to move some of these things out of the way. But you get the idea. I'm going to tighten those down and put the clip on like so, and then take it for a little run. Again, these, I'm going to tighten these down a little bit more, but there's no sense watching you watching me tighten it. You get the idea. But that should be the fix.